In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset an employee report in QuickBooks. If you find that your employee reports are getting a bit cluttered or you've made adjustments that you want to undo, this guide will walk you through how to quickly restore the default settings. This process should only take about 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First things first, you need to sign into your QuickBooks account. Open your web browser and head over to the QuickBooks website. Once there, locate and click on the sign in button. It's usually positioned at the top right of the page. Afterward, you'll be prompted to choose which service you want to sign into. Go ahead and select QuickBooks Online from the options available. Now it's time to enter your credentials. Carefully type in your username and password, ensuring that there are no typos. Most login issues stem from incorrect credentials. Once you've confirmed everything is correct, hit the continue button and you'll be directed to your QuickBooks dashboard. With access gained, the next step is to navigate to the Employees tab. Look for this tab on the dashboard. It's where you'll manage everything related to your employees. Once you are on the Employees page, find and click on the profile of the employee whose report you need to reset. Now on this profile page, search for the Actions button, which is typically located near the top of the page to the right. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose the option labelled Run Report. This will generate a report for that specific employee. Once your report is open, notice a small gear icon, which serves as your report settings menu. Click on it to open the options for modifying the report layout. In this menu, you'll see an option called Reorder Columns. Clicking this will allow you to adjust the sequence of data columns in your report. In case you've made previous changes that you wish to revert, there's a convenient option here. Simply look for and select the Reset to Default button. Do note that this option is available only if you've previously altered any columns in your report. By clicking this, your report columns will go back to their original order just as they were when you first started using QuickBooks. And there you have it. It's a straightforward process that once you're familiar with it will only take a couple of minutes. This is particularly helpful if you're working with multiple employees and need to ensure your reports are standardized. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes managing your employee reports in QuickBooks that much easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.